How to add your name on iPhone lock screen. To add your name on your iPhone lock screen, you can customize the wallpaper. So, this video is a short guide to help you out. To add your name on iPhone lock screen, first of all, you have to hit on Settings. From there, you will see Focus option. Simply tap on that. There, you have to hit on the plus button which is on the top right corner of your screen. Now select Custom. Now type your name over here. You can choose the color and emoji that you want as an icon of your name. Once you select both of this, hit on the next. Once you hit on the next, you will see this option. From here you have to select Customize Focus. Now, here if you want to customize it or share to the other people, you can do it from here. Now go back to the home screen. Then open the control center from the top. Tap on the focus. There you will see your name. Simply hit on that. Now when you lock your phone, you will see your name. As you can see at the bottom, you will see your name. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.